It's now let us start our day with the prayers. Are you all ready for the prayers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Now everybody please stand up, put yourself on mute and fold your hands, okay? Let us start with the prayers. Say with me, close your eyes and say with me, good morning, God. This is your day. I am your child. Show me the way. Okay, now rub your palms like this, fast, fast. Very good, very nice, very nice. Put it on your eyes. Open your eyes. Very good. Now clap your hands loudly, all of you. Very nice, very nice. Jump, jumping karo sab log. Jump. Very good. Jump for some time. Yes, थोड़ी सी jumping karo. Very good, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. थोड़ी jogging. Do a little bit jogging now. Do a little bit jogging like this. Yes, Arnav. Very good. That's the energy. Very nice. Very good, Harshdeep. Very good, Soumya. Very good, Aditi. Very good, Pratik. Ashushman. Very nice. Okay. Chalo, enough, enough. Very good, all of you. Now, all of you, keep your hands straight. ऐसे straight करो अपने hands straight. Okay, and keep your legs joined. Legs को join रखना and bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very nice. Now put your hands on your waist. Waist और legs को अलग अलग करो. Legs अलग अलग करो, थोड़ा दूर एक दूसरे से. See, like this. Legs ऐसे करके खड़े हो. Okay. Now bend towards your right side. Which is your right side, everyone? जिससे आप लिखते हो, that is your right side. Okay. Except for Nisa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do it again. 1. Now let's start from the left side now. Left side se start karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice, all of you. Very nice. Now show me where is your forehead. Everyone touch your forehead. Your head. Where is your head? This is your head. अपने head को touch. Don't bang it. Don't bang it. चोट नहीं लगानी है सर के ऊपर. Softly. Okay. Now tell me where is your nose. Very good. Your cheeks. Your cheeks. Very nice. Now your chin. Chin. Very good. And now your shoulders. Very good. Your arms. These are your arms. Very nice. Now your legs. Show me your legs. Very good. Now bend down and touch your feet. Okay. Everybody please sit down now. Please sit down. And थोड़ी देर बाद थोड़ा सा पानी पी लो. Don't drink. Wait for 2 minutes and then drink. Okay. Everybody settle down. Okay, थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ and फिर पानी पी लो. Drink some water. and take a deep breath. Like this, okay? Very good. Okay, now is everybody fresh now? सब fresh है ना? किसी को नींद तो नहीं आ रही है अभी? Is anybody feeling sleepy?
No,
अगर
ma'am.
किसी को आ रही है तो थोड़ी सी jogging और कर लो करके, okay?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now kids, what are we going to do today? We did number name 8 yesterday. Do you remember number name 8? हमने number name 8 start किया था yesterday. Yes. Okay, you all remember it? Let's do a quick revision. Let me see आपको number names याद है कि नहीं है. Okay, yes. Sanskriti, you want to tell me something? Please tell me. Please. Yes, Soumya, 1 second, beta. I'm coming to you. Let me talk to Sanskriti first. Okay, then I'll come and talk to you. Okay, Soumya?
Okay.
Yes, Sanskriti. Sanskriti, you are on mute. आप म्यूट पे हो बेटा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है या आप कैमरे से बहुत दूर हो. थोड़ा सा स्पीकर के पास आके बोलो. Very nice. Excellent, Sanskriti. Very good. Everybody please clap for Sanskriti. Very nice, beta. Good job. And it's a good thing that you're revising lessons on the same day. Very nice. Yes, Soumya. I'm coming to you now. Tell me, Soumya, you wanted to say something? Tell me, beta. Oh, very nice. Very beautiful. Very good. Very good. Very good, beta. Good job. आपने तो बहुत ही अच्छा कलरफुल बनाया है सौम्या. Very nice. Very good, beta. Okay, kids. Yes, beta. Oh, very nice. Yes. Very good, Ashishman. आपका भी देखा मैंने. Very nice. Yes, who wants to say? Very good, Ashishman. बहुत अच्छा बनाया है आपने. Very nice. Yes, Navya, I'm coming to you, beta. One by one, I'll see everybody's work. I'm coming to you also. Okay? Okay, very nice, Navya. Very beautiful and very neat also, as usual. Navya's work is always very nice. Keep up the good work, Navya. Good job, beta. Oh, okay. Very good, Sanskriti. Very nice, very pretty and colorful. Very good, beta. Very good, Arshdeep. Wow, आपने तो बहुत अच्छे आइसक्रीम्स बनाए थे. एकदम रियल आइसक्रीम्स लग रहे हैं. Very good, Arshdeep. And आपने कलरिंग भी बहुत अच्छा किया. Very nice. You all are very creative also. आप सब बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग भी बनाते हो, कलरिंग भी करते हो.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very nice, Nisa. Very good. Very nice, Nisa. बहुत अच्छा बनाया आपने भी.
Thank you, बोलो.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, beta. Oh, Arnav also wants to show. Show me, Arnav. थोड़ा स्क्रीन के पास लाके दिखाओ. Very nice, very beautiful. Very good, Arnav. Very neat also, Arnav. Okay, that's a good thing. आप लोग अपने होमवर्क में इतने इंटरेस्ट से बनाते हो. That's a very nice thing. Keep up the good work, okay? Now, kids, let me see. आप लोगों को spelling भी याद है कि नहीं है? Let me ask who remembers the spelling of number name 8. Siddesh, do you remember number name 8? Remember? Remember, Siddesh? Siddesh, let's say answer. Siddesh को को आंसर करना है बस. खाली सिद्धेश अभी बोलेगा, मैं सबसे पूछूंगी. I'll ask all the kids one by one. But when Siddesh turn is there, let Siddesh answer. Okay? Yes, Siddesh, tell me beta. Unmute karo.
ERGST.
Very nice. Good job, Siddesh. Very good. E. How did I explain yesterday?
ERGST.
G H E. Very good, beta. Very good. Now, who else wanted to answer? किसने कौन आंसर करना चाहता था? Soumya, you wanted to answer? Who wanted to answer? Raise your hand. Raise your
Navya.
Kav. Okay, now tell me, beta. Tell me the number for 8, please.
8.
Very good, Navya.
GST.
Very nice. I G H. देखो हमने हर फिंगर को 2 लेटर्स दे दिए. इस फर्स्ट फिंगर को हमने क्या दिया? E I. Then second को G H. And third finger को T. E I H T H. Very good, Navya. Very nice. Good job, Navya. Very good. Yes, Shreyas, do you want to answer? Please unmute. करो Shreyas. चलो आप बताओ मुझे 8 का नंबर नेम. What is the number name for 8? Fingers. Very good. 8. T8. Okay, very good, Shreyas. Put yourself on mute now. Pramiti, you tell me the answer now. Pramiti, unmute and tell me.
IGHT.
Excellent. Very good. Very nice. Arnab, do you remember the number name for 8? Three fingers निकालो. E I G G H T 8. Simple. Yes. E I G H T 8. Yes. Okay, enough. चलो म्यूट कर दो. Nisa, do you remember the number name for 8?
Eight.
8.
Yes. E I. Say with me. G H
English medium mana?
T.
H.
ERGHT.
Very good, Nisa. Okay. Prateek, can you tell me the number name for 8? Prateek, please tell me. Unmute karo, Prateek. Please unmute and tell me. Good boy. Yes, say with me. E I.
EIGHT.
Very nice, Prateek.
IGHT.
Excellent, Prateek. Very good. Put yourself on mute. Ashishman, can you tell me the number name for 8? Say with me. E I G H T. Yes, Ashishman, मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो. I. मैं नहीं दिख रही हूँ. कैसे नहीं दिख रही हूँ मैं? Sanskriti, can you see me? Can you see my video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा, जिसको मैं दिखाई नहीं दे रही हूँ, मे बी आपका कुछ नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा होगा, डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस connect करो, ट्राई करके, मे बी देयर इज अ नेटवर्क। ओके,
Visible.
am I visible or not visible?
No, teacher.
No.
Visible.
See very clearly. Navya, can you see me?
No बोलो।
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Siddesh can see me. Pramiti, can you see me?
No.
हर्षदीप, आपका नेटवर्क इशू होगा बेटा, वहां से आप प्लीज चेक करो, आपका नेटवर्क शायद वीक होगा।
No.
ओके, आप एक बार डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस कनेक्ट करो हर्षदीप। ओके, पर ट्राई करो, डिस्कनेक्ट कॉल लीव करो, करो जॉइन। Okay, kids, now today we are going to learn, I'm going to revise something. हम लोगों ने, do you remember the apps family? आप लोगों को याद है app family? We had done some words in app family. There are 2 families which we've already completed. Okay, let me share my screen with you. मैं अपना screen आपके साथ share कर. Just see my screen, everybody. Everyone look at my. Yes, beta. Tell me your name also. Tell me your name also. Who's speaking? Soumya. Tell me, beta, Soumya. What happened, Babu? क्या बोल रहे हो आप सौम्या? आप चैट में लिख के भेजो, मुझे आपकी बात समझ नहीं आ रही है। Sorry, can't understand.
आज नेटवर्क की इशू है।
Okay, no problem, Soumya. That is okay. Fine. There are rains, so थोड़ा बहुत शायद network issue होगा. Okay. If you can't hear me,
तुमने फिर
okay, beta.
Ma'am, can I tell up something?
Yes, Sanskriti, tell me what, beta.
Can I tell up something?
You want to tell me the family work? Yes. 1 minute. Ask everybody, then I'll ask you also. First, I want to show something on the screen. Okay, I want to share my screen, and there are sentences I want to show you all. Okay, kids, now everybody on mute now. Everyone on mute now. I want to share my screen. If you are not able to see me properly, please disconnect and connect back again. Okay? ना सबको मेरा screen दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Navya, can you see my screen? Okay, good. So kids, देखो आज हम ये देखेंगे, हमने family words पढ़े थे. Which family words have we read? The app family and the add family, right? 2 family के words हमने सीखे थे. तो आज एक छोटे से sentences हैं जो हम read करना सीखेंगे. ये हमने दोनों को combine कर दिया, add family and app family. Okay? So आपको खाली वो words पे focus करना है. बाकी मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे छोटे-छोटे spellings हैं. Okay, now see the first sentence. What is the first sentence? THE is what? THE is the. Okay, I'm going to use a marker pen to explain it to you. Okay, now, देखो. Now see. ये first सारे sentences में आपको हमेशा बार-बार आएगा. The will always be there in all the sentences. Okay, so there is a new word which you've learned today, THE. E, the. What is it? T-H-E, the. Repeat after me. T-H-E, the. Okay, now D-A-D. What is D-A-D? ये तो आपने पढ़ा है. Let me ask Sanskriti. You wanted to tell me the family words. So please tell me what is D-A-D. The, ad. What is it?
Dad.
Very good. Excellent, Sanskriti. It is dad. The, ad, dad. So how do we read this sentence now? The dad. The dad. Say with me. The
Dad.
dad. Very good, Sanskriti. You can mute yourself. Now HAS is has. ये भी एक कॉमन वर्ड है जो आपको हर एक लेटर, हर एक सेंटेंस, you can learn this also. HAS has, but you don't have to concentrate on these words. Yes, beta? Tell me what fast. Who is it? Tell me your name. Yes, Navya. Please tell me, Navya. What?
Has.
Very good, Navya. Okay, Navya wanted to give an answer. You are right, Navya. It is dad. Okay. Now HAS is has. Very good, Navya. Has a, what is LAD? हर्षदीप आप बताओ LAD क्या होता है? L add is what? L add. What is it? Word.
Lad.
Very good. L add is lad. Lad means a small boy. Yes. So what is your sentence now? Everybody say with me. The dad has a. Now A is read as a. जो A लिखा हुआ है उसको हम क्या read करते हैं? A. It is an article. जो आप बड़ी classes में जाओगे तो आप सीखोगे that what is it? Why is it used? What is the use? ये किस लिए use होता है? But for now आपको खाली इतना याद रखना है. Just remember this much that you have to read it as a. इसको a बोलना है. The. Say with me. The dad has a lad. Okay, say again with me. Now I will ask one kid to read with me. Nisa, please unmute yourself, Nisa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nisa, start. Say with me.
The dad.
मेरे पीछे रिपीट करो खाली.
Dad.
Dad
A lad.
आपको किस पे फोकस करना है? Just read the word which I have taught. बाकी मैं आपको बताती हूँ, फिर एक एक करके हम पढ़ेंगे. Okay, we'll read it slowly.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
1 minute. Yes. आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही थी? Was I not audible? Am I audible now?
Yes,
Am I audible? Okay, wait. I will do one thing. I'll write on the board and tell it to you because that way it will be easier for you. Now see, the first word was. I'll write it a little bigger. T-H-E, the. So remember this. T-H-E is always the. इसमें हम साउंड्स नहीं सीखेंगे बिकॉज ये नॉन, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो नॉन फोनिक होते हैं जिसमें हम सारे साउंड्स नहीं यूज करते हैं. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर द बेसिक स्पेलिंग्स. आप लोग खाली बेसिक स्पेलिंग्स को याद रखो. THE को हम हमेशा जहां भी THE लिखा होगा उसको The. What will we say? The. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. ग्रेजुअली जब आप धीरे धीरे रीडिंग करोगे आपको आदत हो जाएगी रीड करने की. ओके. T-H-E, the. नाउ जो वर्ड हमने सीखा है हमारा मेन very good. Now our main focus will be on the words which we have learnt, the phonic words. Now let me see. This is the word. What is it? Just now Sanskriti told me what it is. Navya also told me. Let me see if any other kid can read this for me. Soumya, please tell me what is this.
Dad.
Very good. Yes, you can. Very good, Soumya. D-A-D, dad, or you can say the sounds the and the dad. Very good, Soumya. Please mute yourself. Very good, beta. Very nice, Soumya. Now mute yourself, Soumya. Okay, Arnab, is it visible now? अर्नब अभी दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? ओके गुड.
चेहरे पे लिखा उस पे लिख लेता है ना.
The and the dad. Okay. So the dad. Now what did we learn? A new word which is HAS. HAS is read as has. HAS, has. The dad has. A को हम क्या read करते हैं? A. And let me write the word which you know. Now who is going to tell me कि मैंने क्या लिखा है? कौन बताएगा मुझे? L and me. Very good, Satsiti. Yes, Rami, can you tell me what have I written here? L and what is it? Very good. तो हमारा वर्ड क्या बना? Very good. Very good. So our word is the has a lad. The T-H-E. Then after that, the dad, the dad. Then after that, HAS, has. ये word सब जगह repeat होगा. The has. HAS, has. Lad, lad. Okay. Now one by one. Very good, Soumya. Soumya, mute कर दो बेटा. Please mute yourself. Now one by one, every kid has to read this sentence. First, we'll start with Sanskriti. Sanskriti, unmute yourself and read this sentence. Okay.
Dad. Has. Lad. I need the lad.
The dad.
बता रही थी
Okay. Nice. Put yourself on mute. Oh, now you read it for me. Arnab, unmute kar do. Please read it, Arnab, now.
T H E the DH that
The read the sound.
HAS has
Very good. Has
LED let the dad has a flat.
Now, Pramiti, you read it. Pramiti, please read it.
We can't see the screen, ma'am.
Okay, just can you see it now?
No.
I'll just come back again.
No, ma'am.
Pramiti, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, Pramiti.
The
Chalo, next, Pramiti.
Lad.
Very good, Pramiti. Very nice. Excellent, beta. Very good. Please mute yourself. Soumya, आपने तो read किया था ना? Soumya read. Aditi, please read it.
Ma'am, dad has the lad.
Go slowly. The
Dad
and dad. Very good. Has
has lad.
what? Very good, Aditi. Very good. Excellent. And lad. Very good. Put yourself on mute, Sidesh. You read it, please.
The
Yes.
dad
Very good. Lad. Lad. What you have to focus on? These are the two words you all have to focus on. Dad. Focus on these two words. These two should be correct. You should know how to read these two. Okay. Navya, please read it. Yes, Navya, please read.
T-H-E the
Oh, very good.
D-H dad
Very good.
H-A-S has
Yes, very good. Very good.
L-A-D lad.
Very good. You can say with the sounds also. Okay, like instead of saying D-A-D, you can say da, ad, dad. Okay. La, ad, lad. Very nice, Navya, very good. Prateek, please read this sentence for me. Yes, Prateek. Okay, Harshdeep, please read it for me. Harshdeep, unmute करके read करो.
कौन तो खालसा लैड
Okay. फिर से खाली lad सुनाई दिया है मुझे. Read it again. The H-E, the
T-H-E
the at the dad
the dad
H-A-S has
H-A-S has
a, this is read as a. इसको A नहीं बोलोगे, a बोलोगे. A ल बोलो ल
lad
the. Very good, Harshit. L at the lad. Very nice. Very good. Okay. I'm giving. We will do one more sentence and then जो बाकी बचे read it. Okay. So let me share the screen with you. Okay. Can you on my screen now? We are going to see the second sentence. See, ये वाला sentence है. What is THE? Ashwin, yes, Ashishman. Tell me what is THE? Okay, who else can answer this? कौन आंसर करेगा इसको? प्रतीक आप बताओ THE क्या होता है? What is THE? The. Very good. The. Now let's read the second word. The adder. What is the adder? Yes, Swami. The adder is what? What is Swami's answer? The adder, lad. Okay. The lad. What is HAS? Sanskriti, HAS is what?
has
Very good, Sanskriti. Has. The lad has. What is A? How do we read it? Arnab, इसको कैसे read करेंगे? Underline. Oh, very nice, Arnab. We use a when we are referring to one. जब कोई एक ही चीज होती है तो हम उसके लिए अ लिखते हैं. जब एक ही होती है, एक से ज्यादा नहीं. When it's only one. Okay. Very nice. The lad has a. Now the last one. Nisa, can you read this? Yes, Nisa, are you there?
Navya.
Okay, Navya, you tell me then. Tell me.
C-A-P cap.
Very good, excellent, Navya. C-A-P.
C-A-P
cap. Okay, Navya, sounds भी बताने हैं मुझे. K, A, P, cap. Okay, K, A, P, cap. Now पूरा sentence read करते हैं. Let us read the whole sentence. The lad
has
a very. Now आप picture में भी देख सकते हो. In that box. Can all of you?
No, see, pot card. What's the pot of card? It's jolly enough.
Okay, kids. Now you have to repeat to me. Now, Pramiti, what is this? What have I written, Pramiti?
T-H-E-T.
The. Very nice, Pramiti. Excellent. Okay. The. Okay, now, Ashishman, you tell me what have I written over the. Look. Yes, it's lad. Look at the lad. Everyone look at the lad. The lad. Yes, please tell me what have I written over here? A-S. Very good. Read this. Very good, Shreya. The lad has. Sarvesh, please tell me what have I written over here? What is this? Pratik, you tell me what do we read it as? What do we read it as? इसको क्या रीड करेंगे हर्षदीप? करते Oh, everyone say with me. Oh. Say oh. The lad has a. The. मेरी आवाज आ रही है सबको कि नहीं? Am I audible to everyone or not? Please raise your hand अगर आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरी तो. If you cannot hear me, please raise your hand.
Ma'am, it's audible, ma'am.
आपको आवाज? Yes. Okay, fine. Then why is nobody answering? Give me wrong answers. It's okay, fine. But answer when I'm asking you, calling your name, please at least unmute and try to answer. Okay, that's fine. If you don't know the answer, just say, ma'am, I don't know the answer. I will explain it to you. But don't sit quietly. Unmute करके बोलो अगर मैं आपका नाम लेती हूँ तो ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
सिर्फ आपको आवाज
Okay, ma'am.
Sanskrit, this word, what I written?
This word.
No.
Yes. Ko. You can. Ko. Very nice, Sanskriti. Ko. A. Po. Cap. How do we read this? The last say with me. The
The
lad
Lad
has
has
a
a
cap.
cap.
Very good. Okay, now Pramiti, please read this. Pramiti, unmute and read this.
read it.
Read it.
The
Oh,
lad
lad.
मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है मैम मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं
Lad
क्या
Yes. Say with me.
the
The lad.
the lad
The lad
the lad
has
has
a
a
cap.
cap.
Very good, Pramiti. Very nice. Okay, now Soumya, you read this, please.
T-H-E
The.
head.
Okay. H-E, the.
H-E
Yeah. Very good, Soumya. Lad. Bolo, lad has. Say has a cap. Very nice, Soumya. Okay, so हम ये sentence reading will continue tomorrow also. I'll send you all a screenshot of this. The 2 sentences which we have done in the class, you have to practice reading that at home. Okay, now मैं इसका screenshot पेज का आप लोगों को होमवर्क में भेजूंगी. दो sentences हैं जो हमने क्लास में कवर किए, वो आपको घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है बिकॉज कल मैं सबसे पूछूंगी रीड करने के लिए. So practice reading these 2 sentences, only 2 sentences which we have done in the class. Okay, so I will send you a screenshot, and you don't have the writing homework. Just read this, practice this. Okay, properly. Fine. Now everybody will end our day over here. Okay, so I want everybody to please stand up for the prayers. And fold your hands, all of you. Okay, now say with me. Thank you, God,
Thank you, God.
for
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God,
Thank you, God.
for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
Thank you, God.
Now, close your eyes and say, God bless my mummy.
God is my mommy.
My
God is my daddy.
my teachers.
God is my teacher.
Okay, now
Help me
National
our best
everybody
to make them happy.
right and put yourself mute. All though mute yourself, all of you. Okay, let us start. 1, 2, start. भारत भाग्य पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल गंगा जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay, can revise the sentences and just revise reading it. Okay, practice reading it.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Navneeta. Bye. Bye, all of you, Pramiti. Bye, Soumya.